Here are some useful phrases in Urdu that you can use during a taxi ride. Mujhe ek taxi chahiye, I would like a taxi. Mujhe XYZ jagah tak jana hai, I want to go to XYZ place. Mujhe yahan se wahan tak jana hai, I want to go from here to there. Kya op meri madad kar sakte hain? Can you help me? Kya op meri baggage la sakte hain? Can you take my luggage? Kya op meri baggage rok sakte hain? Can you keep my luggage? Kya op meri seatbelt lagwa sakte hain? Can you fasten my seatbelt? Mujhe AC chahiye, I would like the AC. Mujhe heater chahiye, I would like the heater. Mujhe kya karna hai? What do I need to do? Mujhe XYZ route se jana hai, I want to go through XYZ route. Mujhe XYZ speed se jana hai, I want to go at XYZ speed. Mujhe XYZ time tak jana hai, I want to go until XYZ time. Mujhe XYZ time pa jana hai, I want to go at XYZ time. Mujhe XYZ address pa jana hai, I want to go to XYZ address. Mujhe XYZ jagah tak drop karna hai, I want to be dropped off at XYZ place. Mujhe XYZ fare chahiye, I want XYZ fare. Kya op mera change denj? Will you give me my change? Mujhe XYZ currency mine paisa chahiye, I want money in XYZ currency. Mujhe XYZ seat chahiye, I want XYZ seat. To pay for a taxi in Urdu, you can say, Mujhe bil dine, which means give me the bill. Alternatively, you can also say, Mujhe bil chahiye, which means I would like the bill. Once you have the bill, you can say, Mujhe change chahiye, which means I would like my change. To pay the bill, you can say, Ye rupee op ke hain, which means these rupees are yours.